Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a final exam. First, understand what your exam will cover and its format. Is it multiple choice, essay, or a mix? Next, create a realistic study schedule, allocating specific times for each subject. Finally, gather all your study materials, like notes, textbooks, and past assignments, to ensure you have everything ready before you begin. Once you've planned, it's time to engage with the material actively. Don't just reread, try active recall by quizzing yourself without your notes. Explain difficult concepts aloud, as if teaching someone else to truly grasp them. Also, work through practice problems or past exams to familiarize yourself with question types and time constraints. Your study environment plays a crucial role in your success. Find a quiet, distraction-free space where you can concentrate fully. Organize your study area, keeping only essential materials nearby to avoid clutter. Remember to take short, regular breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every hour, to prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. Finally, don't forget to prioritize your well-being. Adequate sleep is essential for memory consolidation, so aim for 7 to 9 hours each night. Fuel your body with a balanced diet and stay well hydrated. Incorporate some light physical activity, like a short walk, to reduce stress and boost your energy levels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.